guys! Welcome to my channel. Welcome back, my sunny babes. So today we're going to be doing a video where I am basically putting on the makeup that I normally wear for stage makeup. So keep on watching to see what products I use, how I apply them, and yeah, just keep on watching. Okay, so before I start anything, I just start with I apologize for my nails. They look really bad, but it's okay. I'm using the chapstick Total Hide. I've already moisturized, so I'm going to take my Mega Jelly Primer from Wet n Wild. I love this stuff. If you haven't seen me talk about this, you can check out one of my videos. I will link that in the little eye, and I will also, it's either here or here, I can't remember which side, but I'll also link it in the description box. So I tend to go for primers that have more of a sticky base, because the theory is that the foundation will stick on more with a sticky base because it's tacky, and so it can just launch on there. So that's why I tend to do that. And for today, I'm going to mix the Cover FX Power Play Foundation, which I have also talked about this before. I will be sure to link it above. And I'm going to mix that with the Dream Urban Cover from Maybelline, because this has SPF and it gives me a little bit of a glow, so I tend to stick with things like that. And I'm just going to mix it on my hand. I actually really like the coverage of this. I feel like it is doing a great job of, covering for me. And yeah, now I'm just going to apply some concealer. I'm taking the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this is in the shade 54, Deep Dark 54, and I'm just gonna edge this out underneath my eye. I love this color. It's more of like a neutral shade, and I'm gonna put it like the bridge of my nose, top of my forehead right here, a little bit over my lip line and my chin, just to even things out a little bit. And while that is happening, I'm going to apply some contour, which I don't know if you guys have seen before my highlight and contour tutorial. I'm just taking my Naked Skin shapeshifter from Urban Decay shapeshifter palette, and I'm just taking this like brown shade in here, and I'm going to just contour my cheekbones. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's definitely contouring for me. And I just contour just enough to like carve out the cheekbone, you know? And then I do it here, and I'm letting my concealer like actually be like, just let it sit and let it sit into the skin, and then once I'm ready to blend that, I will blend it. But for now, I'm just letting it sit on top of the skin, and then I'll blend it in, because I feel like I get more coverage when I let it sit. So that's what I do. And now I'm just still contouring, and then I'm gonna contour down here. I want my face to be like, you know, so I'm just going to take my other IT Cosmetics powder foundation brush, and I'm just going to stamp this into the skin. So this is the Silky Matte, All About Matte Silky Compact Fixing Compact Powder from Essence, and I'm just gonna take this and like rub it through like my cheek area so that everything can look cohesive and nice and pretty. And then I'm gonna go in and just check to see if my skin is still looking good, and from what I can see, it's still looking good. So now I'm just going to apply some bronzer. I'm taking my Milani Earth Glow Powder Foundation, which I promise I'm going to stop using this in videos because it's actually not sold anymore, which is so sad. Milani, what are you doing? Like, you have people that want to buy this and you get rid of it? I don't know. I feel like brands do that all the time. Like when NYX came out with the cinnamon roll gloss, and everyone like wanted to buy that gloss, they got rid of it. Like, if you have a product that people are dying over and want, why would you get rid of it? I don't understand. Maybe that's just me. But if I had a product that people like loved like that, I wouldn't get rid of it. I would make sure I had plenty of it and sell it. And I'm just doing this to carve out. So now I use 2 different setting sprays. This is not something new on my channel, but in case you're new, I use 2 different setting sprays. So I'm going to start with the Tarte Stay Spray. This just helps with sweat. Actually ran out of the setting spray that I had before, which was the Essence one, and I loved that one. It was so great. 10 out of 10 would recommend, but I actually ran out of it, so I can't use it right now, but because they don't have any more in store, so I'm waiting for it to come in so I can buy it. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Setting Spray. It's supposed to make your makeup transfer proof, and I'm using the Saharan Blush Volume 1 from Juvia's Place. Isn't this like the prettiest packaging? All their packaging is so nice. To take the shade Enough from their This Is Nude collection. This is the number 7. And then I'm going to go over top of it with the Plumping Nudes lip gloss in the shade Big Softy number 2. And this looked kind of like a brownie nude, so I was kind of like excited for that. I have like 2 minutes before I have to leave, so I'm going to apply some mascara, and I'm going to apply 2 different ones from Essence because Essence, like I said earlier, is killing it right now. So I'm going to take the Volume Stylus. This is the one that is the lash extension version, and I'm just going to apply this on my lashes so you guys can see what I'm doing. I am going to try my best not to stab myself in the eye trying to show you guys this, but so I just go like this and curl my lashes from the top too, and then I like blink into the mascara to give myself some volume, and then I like do a little zigzag motion, and there you have it. Before, after. And I'm gonna seal it with the Essence False Lash Effect Mascara in waterproof. I'm really just gonna coat the lashes with this one time in order to make this waterproof. So I really like the other one, but it's not waterproof, so I just go on top of it with this one. And we are donezo. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. There's a hair on my face. We do not have time for this. It's just gonna have to be there because it's not wiping off. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see, not zoom out. zoom in. One time I did this kind of hard, and it was with a sponge, and it removed some of the product like around my mouth, and I looked like I had a mustache, and it was really sad.